The Greenworks 24V combo kit is an impressive tool set that offers unmatched versatility for both indoor and outdoor projects. With its 24V lithium-ion battery, it delivers 20% more power and 35% longer runtime compared to its 20V counterparts, ensuring consistent performance. The brushless motor in the drill driver provides up to 800 inch-pounds of torque and speeds of up to 2,100 revolutions per minute, making it ideal for demanding tasks. This combo kit features a 21+1 position clutch and a 2-speed gearbox, allowing precise control for various drilling and fastening applications. A keyless ratcheting chuck allows for quick and secure bit changes, enhancing the ease of use and efficiency of this cordless drill driver. Both the drill and impact driver come equipped with LED lights, providing illumination in dark or confined spaces, which is a great addition for improved visibility.